Dongguan Ikinor Industry Company Limited is a professional manufacturer with over years of experience in the interactive display industry, specializing in OEM and ODM services. We support global partners in building their own brands with customized solutions. Our factory covers an area of 2,500 square meters and maintains a monthly production capacity of over 15,000 units. Equipped with automated assembly lines and a dedicated R&D team, we hold more than 30 technology patents. We offer a comprehensive product portfolio, including interactive flat panel displays, smart blackboards, digital signage, all-in-one PC, and smart podiums, tailored for education, conference, and commercial applications. We provide end-to-end service from design to manufacturing, along with SKD and CKD options to meet varied market needs. Our products comply with international standards such as CE, FCC RoHS, and CB, with a presence in over 20 countries and a strong partner network including leading brands. We ensure reliable supply and professional support. Our experienced team offers one-on-one sales assistance, transparent production updates, and responsive after-sales service to help our partners succeed in their local markets. Welcome to visit us in person. We look forward to cooperating with you. Thank you.